Good afternoon, students. We had completed our first chapter and we will be having a test paper based on our first chapter in our next class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, is matter around us pure? We are going to begin with the topic matter. Matter is already we have discussed in our first chapter. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and have mass. Anything. For example, a ball. A cricket ball is a matter. The mobile phone is a matter. This microphone is a matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass can be called a matter. Today we are going to start with the classification of matter. Matter can be classified into two. Which are they? Matter can be classified into pure substance and impure substance, also called a mixture. Pure substances and mixtures. Shall we discuss about pure substance and mixtures? Yes. As you can see here, a pure substance is a substance which consists of only one type of particles. Okay. For example, if just consider this is water. Okay. And water consists of only H2O molecule. If water consists of only H2O molecules, water molecules, then it is a pure substance. But if you are mixing it with sugar, maybe salt, anything, if you are mixing it with sugar or salt, anything, then it will become a mixture, because a mixture consists of two or more types of particles. A mixture consists of two or more types of particles. That's the difference. Can you understand? Matter, anything that occupies space and has mass, is known as matter. We have already discussed this in our previous class. Now let us classify matter into two. First one is pure substance and second one is impure substance or mixture. Just consider you have a substance with you which consists of only one type of atom or one type of molecule. For example, water. Just consider the substance you have seen on the screen is water and which consists of only water molecules. Then it is a pure substance. Okay. A substance which consists of only one kind of particle, then it is called a pure substance. It can be atom or a molecule. A substance which contains only one kind of atoms or molecules is known as pure substance. Now we'll discuss about impure substance. Any of this particle is replaced by any other substance or any other particle. For example, if one of these water molecule is replaced by a salt molecule, NaCl molecule, then it will become an impure substance. See, two molecules are replaced by two salt molecules. Now it has become an impure substance. So, an impure substance or a mixture is a substance which contains more than one kind of atoms or molecules is known as impure substance. A substance which consists of two or more kind of particles, then it is called a mixture or an impure substance. Now, please understand, a pure substance can be classified into two: elements and compounds. Elements. Pure substances which are made up of only one kind of atoms are known as elements. For example, carbon. A carbon element consists of only carbon atoms, or a piece of iron rod which consists of only iron atom, then it is an element. Okay. Oxygen gas in the atmosphere which consists of only oxygen atom, it is an element. Let us see some more examples of elements. Iron, gold, silver, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, etc. are examples of elements. Elements are classified into three: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. If you look at the periodic table, you can see three classifications over there. First one is metal. Iron, copper, zinc, gold, silver are examples of metals. and nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen are examples of non-metal, and metalloids are the elements which show both the characteristics of metals and non-metals. We'll do further discussion about this classification, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids, in our coming chapters. Okay, we'll do it later. Now we have to discuss about our next pure substance, compound. Just consider we have an oxygen atom with us and a carbon atom. If one carbon atom combines with two oxygen atoms, a compound CO2 is formed. Then what is a compound? A compound is a substance that is made by combining two or more elements in a fixed ratio. Two or more elements are combined in a fixed ratio to form a compound. CO2 is an example in which carbon and oxygen are combined in the ratio 1:2. If they had combined in the ratio of 1:1, that is one carbon with one oxygen, then the compound formed will be carbon monoxide. That is, compounds are pure because the ratio of its constituents always remains fixed. Oxide. Another one example is H2O. In water, hydrogen and oxygen are combined in the ratio 2:1. That is, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water will always be 2:1. Let's see some more examples of compounds. Water, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, NH3 ammonia, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. All these are examples of compounds in which different elements are combined in different ratios to form a compound. Now we have learned two classifications of pure substances. Pure substances can be classified into two, which are the elements and compound, right? Elements and compounds. Elements are the substances which consist of only one type of atoms. Elements are the substances which consist of only one type of atoms. For example, atmospheric air consists of oxygen gas, right? And oxygen gas consists of only oxygen atom, so it is an element. Or you might have seen iron objects which consist of only iron atom, it is an element. Or you might have seen copper consists of only copper atom, it is an element. You might have seen, you might have heard about hydrogen gas, which consists of only hydrogen atom, it is an element. Clear? Now compound, if two or more atoms combines together to form a substance, then it is called a compound. For example, if hydrogen combines with oxygen, it will form H2O, it's a compound. If carbon combines with oxygen, it will become carbon dioxide. If one carbon combines with the two oxygen atom, if one carbon combines with the one oxygen atom, then it will be carbon monoxide, CO. Clear? And they are called compounds. That's all for today.